Okay, today we're working on lesson 30, page 200 in our math book. Make sure you are working the problems out with me. If you need to pause the video, you can. So today we're going to be adding some fractions and mixed numbers. So to start out, we're going to be adding 4 2/3 plus 2/3. So to do that, we're going to take 2/3 plus 2/3, which equals 4/3. So now we have 4/3 and we bring down our 4 wholes, so we have 4 4/3. 4/3 is improper, so we have to change it to a mixed number. So we know we can make 3/3 and have 1/3 left. So when we put 3/3 plus our 4 wholes, we now have 5 wholes and 1/3 is left. Okay, so we're going to take 3/5 plus 4/5, and 3/5 plus 4/5 would equal 7/5. We have our whole, so we have 3 7/5. Because 7/5 is improper, we're going to have to break it into a mixed number. So we would have 5/5 plus 2/5, and we know that we have 3 wholes plus our 5/5, which is 1 whole, so now we have 4 wholes and 2/5. Okay, looking at the next one, we have 4/6 plus 5/6. 4/6 plus 5/6 equals 9/6. We bring down our 5 wholes and we change our 9/6 into a mixed number. So we would have 6/6, and we would need 3/6 to get to 9/6. So we take our 5 wholes plus 6/6, which is 1 whole. 5 plus 1 is 6 wholes, and we would have 3/6 left. Or 3/6 also equals a half. So we could have 6 wholes and 1/2 as an answer as well. Okay, looking at the next one. Now we have 7/8 plus 6 4/8. So we add 7/8 and 4/8, which gives us 11/8. We make sure we put in our whole number, which is 6. We break apart our fraction into a mixed number. So we have 8/8, and we would have 3/8 left. We put in our 6 wholes plus the 1 whole, gives us 7 wholes and 3/8. Okay, looking at the next one. We have 7/10 plus 7/9. So 7/10 plus 9/10 would give us 16/10. We make sure we bring our whole in front, which is 7. Now we have to break it apart to a mixed number. So we would have 10 tenths and 6 tenths left. So we take 7 plus the 1 whole, which equals 8 wholes and 6 tenths. Okay, looking at the next one, 9 7/12 plus 11/12. So we add 7/12 plus 11/12. 7 plus 11 gives us 18/12. We put our 9 wholes in front. We break apart our 18/12. So we would have 12/12. And we would have 6/12 left. We take 9 plus our 1 whole, which equals 10 and 6/12. Okay, looking at G, we have 2 70/100ths plus 87/100ths. We need to add 70/100ths plus 87/100ths. So let's write down 87 plus 70. We can add 7 plus 0, and then 8 plus 7. So we have 157. So now we have 157 over 100. We put our whole, which is 2, in front. We have to break it apart because it is improper. So we know that we would have 100 hundredths, which gives us 1 whole, and there would be 57 hundredths left. So now we take our 2 wholes plus the 1 whole we made, which gives us 3 wholes and 57 hundredths. Okay, let's look at the last problem. We have 50 hundredths plus 16 78 hundredths. So first we're going to take 78 plus 50. So we're going to think 8 plus 0 and 7 plus 5. So we have 128. 128 hundredths. We put our 16 in front. Now we have to break apart our fraction. So we have 100 hundredths to make a whole, and we would have 28 left over, so we'd have 28 hundredths. We add our 16 with the 1 whole, which gives us 17 and 28 hundredths. Okay, you need to work on Lesson 30 Zern. Watch the video, working through your notebook, and then if you do not get finished with Zern today, you need to be working on Lesson 30 at home.